No, you be quiet. No, you be quiet, Dad.
Mom and Dad, thank you both for took me to McDonald's.
The new
You're welcome,
Lily meal.
Lily.
You're
It's
welcome,
not a Happy
Lily.
Meal. It's a grilled cheese meal.
Drink.
Ouch. You must behave while we're there. Especially you, Lily. Do you understand?
Yes, Mom.
Oh.
I understand.
Good. And now let's go to McDonald's.
Ay, no me siento bien. Mommy!
Hello, welcome to McDonald's. What may I help you?
I would like to
I don't
have
feel
spicy
good,
deluxe
Dad.
chicken sandwich with a combo.
I'm shaking.
I would like to have McDonald's deluxe sandwich with a combo.
I would like to have grilled chicken sandwich combo with a drink.
I would like to have a Big Mac combo with medium fries and a Coke, please.
That will cost
It's really good
$40.
video.
Here you go.
No,
Thank you
I
and
don't
have a
have to
nice
vomit.
day.
Give me some medicine.
Mom and Dad, thank you both for
You
took
don't
me to
need
McDonald's.
You're welcome, Lily.
You're welcome, Lily.
Hello, welcome to McDonald's. What may I help you?
I would like to have grilled chicken
Mommy,
sandwich with a combo.
I would like to have honey pepper pimento chicken sandwich with a combo.
I'm sorry, we don't sell honey pepper pimento chicken sandwich anymore.
What the heck? Is this some kind of joke?
No.
How the heck are you out of honey pepper pimento chicken sandwich?
Hey, look at the bright side. Maybe you could have like grilled chicken club sandwich with a combo instead.
But why? Honey pepper pimento chicken sandwiches are the freaking best food in the whole wide world.
Mimi, he said there's no more honey pepper pimento chicken sandwich. So why not get grilled chicken club sandwich with a combo instead?
Oh heck no! I want what I want, honey pepper pimento chicken sandwich with a combo.
But like I said, we ran out of honey pepper pimento chicken sandwich because lots of customers wanted good food.
I don't give a dime if a lot of people wanted it. You better go to the quacky manager and demand him to bring honey pepper pimento chicken sandwich back. You freaking disgrace to humanity.
Hey, don't call me disgrace to humanity. And listen, no matter how much I plead to the manager to bring honey pepper pimento chicken sandwich back, he would always refuse to do so.
No way! Sandwich with the combo right freaking now.
Mimi! Stop acting like a spoiled freaking brat!
Mimi?
He said there's no more honey pepper pimento chicken sandwich with a combo. You could have grilled chicken sandwich with a combo, or you could have nothing at all.
Oh, I got a better idea. How about we go across the street and buy me a diamond ring so that you can engage me?
Mimi! Stop this behavior right now. Everyone is looking at us because of you.
Oh, so you do want to engage? Well, what are you waiting for? Come on! My finger is already out. Go ahead! Engage me, engage me, engage me, engage me, engage me. If you fail to engage me right here.
Oh no, I have to get out of here. Mimi is about to get crazy. Things are getting worse at this McDonald's restaurant.
So you don't want to engage me? Okay, then I'm going to beat up someone.
Oh no!
Mimi, there's no more honey pepper pimento chicken sandwich with a combo. And stop acting mean to your mom. Shut up, Lily! I'm going to beat you up so bad since there's no more honey pepper pimento chicken sandwich with the combo at this McDonald's restaurant.
No beating up anyone.
No. Please, don't beat me up so badly. I promised my mommy and daddy that I won't misbehave anymore.
Oh my God!
Well, too bad and so sad. I'm going to do it right now.
Oh no!
No. Whoa. Ow. It hurts really bad again. That's what you get for saying no more honey peppers because
Oh no!
Oh no. I'm busted big time.
Mimi! How dare you beat up Lily because you didn't order grilled chicken club sandwich with a combo? Honey pepper pimento chicken sandwich with a combo is now sold out at McDonald's restaurant.
I agree with you, Frank. Mimi, you should be ashamed of yourself for beating up Lily again. I agree with you, Frank and Linda. Mimi, how dare you misbehave at McDonald's and beat up Lily again? That's it. You're grounded for 196, 501, 87 days. You won't get nothing at McDonald's.
Oh no.
When we get home, I will force you to watch Go Diego Go, and then you will go straight to your room. Let's go home right now.
Now it's okay, Lily. We felt bad for you again because Mimi did beat you up again, and she did misbehave at McDonald's. She's now grounded again because she made something bad to you again.
Lily, don't cry. Mimi is now gone because she's now grounded again.
Okay then, Mimi is now grounded again.
Lily, thank you for behaving at McDonald's. I'm so proud of you.
Oh my God! Wow!
I agree with your dad. Let's go home right now.
Lily, I'm so proud of you because you did behave at McDonald's. You're now ungrounded for life. You could do whatever you want.
Thank you, Mom and Dad. You both are the best.
Now available